Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, you are going to see about dice rolling simulator. I think you played with the dice before. A cube with some dot represent the number 1 to 6. The top of the cube will mark your score as you roll the dice. Before moving on to the project, I want to give you a demo of my project and an overview of what I'm going to do. Here is a button, click me to roll. Then click that button and see what happened. It shows your phases of your dice. This will change when you click again and again. In fact, when you click this button, it will generate a random value of 1 to 6. Also, this value is attached to the picture. For example, your 1 point image will be printed when your random value is 1. I don't want to waste your time. So let's go straight to the program. First, we need a GUI window. It was created by tkinter. From tkinter, import star and import random for generate random value. R equal to tk of it I used to create a window. Now I'm going to give a name to my window. R dot title of dice rolling simulator. FRM equal to frame of R. This frame is like a container which hold all our widgets like a label text box. Now create a button and image. btn equal to button of. Add this button to frame frm, comma. Text will be click me to roll. Font is Arial, size is 10 and bold. Font color is red and background color is black. And command equal to choose dice. Choose dice is a function. When you click this button, the control go to this function. Now create a choose dice method. Def choose dice of. Pass we do it later. Come back to this line. Now it's time to create a label that we are going to show the dice face on. Label should have some default image first. Then only we can modify that image by clicking button. So first get the image. Image equal to photo image of file equal to some file name. Now add that image in a label. Dice is equal to label of frm and the image is equal to img. Now add these widgets into window. btn dot pack of paddy is equal to 10. Paddy is a inner space and dice dot pack of. Now add this frame to the window. frm dot place relx is equal to 0.5 and rely is equal to 0.5 and anchor is center. R dot final main loop of is to run this window infinite time. Now come to this choose dice method. When you click button, first it should generate a random value. So rand value equal to random dot rand int of 1 comma 6. It generates a random value from 1 to 6. Now pair all value with a respective image file. For this I use a dictionary. See here. Choose equal to open brace 1 colon open quotes 1 dot png file. This one image file have 1 point image. Similarly, see here for 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In the same way, pair all the 6 value. Now, I am going to create a method fname by which I will change the image of label. First, call this fname method here and pass the respective file that paired with a generated random value. Fname of choice of rand value. If your random value is 4, then choice of 4 is 4.png file. Now 4.png file is passed to the fname function. Now create the method def fname of and receive the sended file in name. Now open the image file img equal to a photo image of file equal to name. Now update label with a new image. Dice of config of image equal to img. Dice dot image equal to img. Now run this file and see the output. Now you can see the button click me to roll. Click the button and see what will happen. When you click the button, you can see the dice, and when you click again and again, it will changes. Yeah, the project is worked successfully. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'm Kirtana. I think you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to watch more video like this, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. If you have any question, you can ask me in a comment section. Bye guys, we will see you in another awesome video.